All right. Hi, everybody. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use the embossing tool in Autodesk Inventor. So what embossing does basically extrudes letters and creates a raised or recessed feature from the profile. So you can either cut away from the feature and extrude something or cut into the feature. So as you can see, I've made a tau beta pi bent, and so I want to emboss tau beta pi onto it. So first, I'm going to start by creating a sketch. So up here in the left-hand corner, I'm going to click 2D sketch, and then I want to make a sketch on the face where I want the letters to be. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to come up here to the left again in this box up here and click the text tool. And then I'm going to make a rectangle for where I want my text to be. Thankfully, I've already copied the letters I want and they are the correct font. All I need to do is come up here and center justification because I want to be centered on the bent. Hit OK. And so I'm going to click OK and we're done with the sketch. So as you can see, I have the letters on there, but they're just letters. That's it, nothing more. And so I want to extrude them out, and I'm going to do that with the embossing tool. So I'm going to come up here, click on emboss, and then the profile I want to select are these letters. So I'll click the profile, and then the arrow's pointing away, and we have the emboss from face selected. So if I hit OK, it's going to extrude those letters out. And then we have it embossed. It's kind of hard to tell from the front, but if I go back to that corner view, or that side view, you can see that those letters have been extruded. All right, but let's say I don't want to extrude them and I actually want to cut into the bent. So I'm gonna go back to that emboss. I will right click, edit feature, and so I want to engrave from the face, which means we're going to be cutting into that face. But you see how my arrow right now is pointed away. That means it wants to cut in that direction, but there's no material in that direction. So instead, we want to cut into that face, so we have to change the direction. And let's say I only want it to go 0.5 into it. I'll hit OK. And then if we go back and look, yeah, there we go. It should be properly engraved. So you see we cut into it. Great. But something else you can do with the emboss tool, I'm gonna right click, edit feature. I'm gonna change it back so that it's coming out from the feature. And let's change it back to 1 millimeter. Let's say I don't want it to be gold like the rest of the bent. Let's decide to make it pink. Why not? We'll make it pink. And then I hit OK. And as you can see, the front face of that embossing is now pink. So it can help distinguish it from the rest of the part that I've modeled. So that's how you use the embossing tool. I hope that was helpful.